This creamy cheesy chicken soup bowl is one comforting meal loaded with yummy chicken bites and lots of vegetables. It tastes so good you will get addicted, and trust me, once you try it you will keep making it again and again. Hello everyone, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started. Here I have kept all the ingredients ready. Let's start by cooking the chicken. In a pressure cooker I am adding few big slices of chicken breast. Add some salt and pepper and cook it for 2 whistles. No need to fry the chicken separately in oil, just pressure cook it with little water. We will take care of sauteing it later while making the soup. After 2 whistles, see how nicely the chicken has got cooked. Let's take it out. We'll use this water later while making the soup. Use your fingers and shred the chicken into small bite-sized pieces. See how easily it is coming apart. That means it has cooked very nicely. Our shredded chicken is ready. Let's make the soup. Into a pan, add small piece of butter, minced garlic. Fry it very well until you get the nice aroma out of it. Next I am adding 1 small chopped onion, 1 chopped carrot. You can even add celery or any choice of your vegetables. Next I am adding 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida. Fry it until you get the nice aroma out of this. This looks perfect. Now I am adding 1 cup of heavy cream. You can even add a cup of milk here instead of heavy cream. Next add salt as per your taste. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Next I am adding our shredded chicken. Give it a mix. Now I am adding chicken stock which we had saved earlier. Cook it well. Before you turn off the flame, add about 2 tablespoons of grated cheese, some chopped coriander leaves. Turn off the flame. Right now the consistency may look thin, but it will get thickened as it cools off. Because of cheese and all-purpose flour in it, it gets little thickened. After few minutes, see how nice the consistency is. This is a perfect comforting soup bowl. Sprinkle some cheese and serve it hot. Enjoy this with a piece of garlic bread. I hope you have liked this recipe. I'm sure you will also love my spinach soup recipe. Please check that out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.